Welcome to Gaia Queen Vegetarian Cooking. Today you're watching Fettuccine Rendang with Crispy Mango Mountain. So this is carise in the process of making. I will tell you how to do it later. So 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with pandan leaves and also coconut, and shiitake mushrooms with handful of fresh vegetables including of this capsicum. Red capsicum will be better. Mix them all together. And the carise that you watched earlier, that's a fresh homemade carise. So this is the carise powder that I'm adding. This is going to be very fresh and it is healthy as well. So make sure you crush them well into a fine powder. And this is a paste where it consists of ginger, tomatoes, and of course with some water. No onions and no garlics in it. This is totally fine for vegans and also vegetarians. Make sure you stir them well. Now we are in the process of making Mango Mountain sauce. So there are a handful of fresh mangoes, cherry tomatoes, pandan leaves and some shiitake mushrooms with 1 tablespoon of corn oil. So you just have to mix all of them like this without water, because mango itself is a kind of like liquid kind of fruit, so you are gonna have a rich taste here. As you can see, this is just like that without water, no sugar, no preservatives, nothing. This is just plain as it is. So now just add a little bit of water with Himalayan pink salt, just a pinch of it. Don't add too much of salt. Right, mix them all until it gets to a thick consistency. Now back to Fettuccine Rendang. We are gonna add the fettuccine noodles in it. It is already pre-boiled. Don't boil them over because we need the noodles to be still fresh looking. Black pepper powder, 2 handfuls, and crushed chili powder. This black pepper powder and chili powder is gonna enhance the taste with some spiciness and also to give you, a rich flavor. So mix together with this rendang paste. As you can see, this is Fettuccine Rendang without onion, without garlic, and it is fine for vegans and vegetarians. Stir them gently because we don't want the noodles to break. Add a little bit of the pasta water. I'm referring to the fettuccine boiled water, so that it can give you some thick consistency. This is vegan butter, which is made out of sunflower. You can get it at any groceries. And guess what? This is very rich, healthy, and it is just about 130 calories. At this point of time, the tofu is being fried and Fettuccine Rendang with Mango Mountain is ready.
Fettuccine first. Perfect matching. Mango with the rendang paste. Very nice. I think and the sweetness, there's the herbs. try the together with the tofu. Let's taste. Oh my days.
So what kind of taste do you get from this meal? What's your opinion?
I really love the mango gravies together with the Fettuccine Rendang taste. It's just matched perfectly. So there's a little bit original sweetness from the mangoes with the gravies, and then mixed with the herbs taste. The original herbs taste in fettuccine is amazing. It's healthy, full of nutrition, and it's all what I need.